Martin van Meytens was born 24th of June 1695, died 23rd of March 1770. He was a Swedish Austrian painter who painted members of the Royal Court of Austria such as Marie Antoinette, Marie Theresa of Austria, Francis I, Holy Roman Emperor, the Emperor's family and members of the local aristocracy. His painting style inspired many other painters to paint in a similar format. Meytens was one of the most significant Austrian painters of representative Baroque courtly portrait. And through his pupils and followers his influence remained alive and widespread for a long time throughout the whole empire.